Hi, I'm Emma Walsh, part of the EPM marketing team, and today I'm joined with our software director, Nick Brooks, to discuss route profitability and how operators can still drive revenue during these uncertain times. So, firstly, Nick, why is route profitability such a key issue at the moment?
It's a hot topic for bus operators because of COVID and the uncertainty around passenger demand for public transport as we emerge from the pandemic. UK bus services have been hugely impacted, with patronage dropping and talk of a 20% reduction post-COVID due to factors such as home working and social distancing measures. As we approach the end of the lockdown and the government requests a build-up of service alongside the vaccine rollout, public confidence will lead to higher levels of patronage and government financial support will start to be phased out. This means that operators need management information to rebuild revenues and reshape the network around customer demand in order to re-establish profitability.
Okay, so how can operators ensure their routes are profitable?
Well, a detailed analysis of the network is the first step to understanding what the issues are affecting overall profitability. But the issue here is that for many operators, this process can be very time consuming and resource intensive, as there can be many data points to analyse, held in several different systems across the organisation, and it can become easily outdated as new information gets fed into the system. Traditionally, operators have had to invest resource collating static dashboards and KPIs manually, which are basically out of date as soon as they're created.
How can EPM support operators to get the information on route profitability?
Well, EPM's Insight software automatically consolidates data across multiple sources of the business. So it delivers a 360-degree view of your bus operation, supporting you to improve network performance. Here, let me show you. The data is presented in a range of dashboards tailored specifically for each user. You can assess network performance and trends, then drill down through the operational data to drive improvements across your organisation. For example, in just a few clicks, you can easily find out the routes that are bringing in the most profit and the ones that are not contributing to the business. You should start by identifying how you're going to allocate costs, which could be per vehicle, per mile, or per hour. Then make sure you include revenue from all sources, such as on-bus fares, off-bus purchases, concessions, contracted routes, in order to get an accurate view of profitability by route. Analyse profitability and patronage of individual routes by day, type, and time band. And as you dig, you'll start to see patterns that will help you make improvements to the service as a whole.
Thanks, Nick. That was really useful, and it demonstrates how EPM Insights can provide real-time management information, empowering bus operators to react quickly to the changes in the operating environment, which is increasingly important during these times. For more information on the Insight software or route profitability, please head to the EPM website, which will be linked above. Thank you.